This is the Haida CPL VND Pro 2 filter. It's a variable ND filter, especially for filming, and it's also a polarization filter. In bright sunny conditions, you will have to close down the aperture to have a good exposure, and that is not always what you want. For this, a neutral density filter is necessary. It can be easily attached because it has a very good grip. The Haida variable neutral density filter can be adjusted just the way you like it. From 3 stops until 7 stops, and you can see how the exposure changes. So you can stop wherever the exposure is perfect. If the right strength from the neutral density filter is set, then you can rotate the complete filter to adjust for polarization. Dial the polarization filter the way you like, and as long as you don't change the neutral density, the exposure will stay correct. I really like the CPL variable ND filter because it's quite easy to use and it works quite nicely. It's a good quality build, all aluminium I believe, and I think I will use it for my future movies. Thank you for watching this short explanation about the Haida CPL VND Pro 2 filter.